And welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Wessie, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys a skincare routine. And this is going to be a two-part video because today I'm going to be doing cleansing. You guys have to stay tuned for the exfoliating video. Yeah. Before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment and let me know what your skincare routine is or is not. Yeah, before we even get into the video, I do want to give a disclaimer and say that a big part of skincare is the things that you put in your body. So I make sure that I drink a lot of water, and water is really good for like hydrating the skin. So if you're looking to change your skin routine or just improve it, that's a good first step. I'd also say that you are paying attention to the things that you are putting in your body, because you could wash your face all you want, but if you're not drinking water and you're not eating the right things, I feel like you still are gonna have, like, you know, breakouts and stuff like that. So with all of that information now, I am going to get right into the skincare. The first thing you want to do is you want to wash your face, and you just want to wash your face with water so that when you're getting ready to put the products on your face is wet. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wash my face. Okay, so now that my face is wet, I'm going in with this brush, and you can get one of these from your local dollar store. You don't need an automatic one or anything like that. I do have an automatic one as well. It just doesn't do it the way that I do, so I like to do it manually. But you can get an automatic one. They have them on Amazon, and I'll link one down below for you guys. But basically, I'm just going to take this brush, and I'm going to run it under some water just so that it's wet, again, to activate the products. And then I'm taking this face wash. I'm taking this face wash, which is the Honey Glow face wash, and I'm just gonna put 2 pumps on the brush like so. And then I'm going to take the brush and I'm gonna move in circular motions around my face, and I'm gonna scrub the face wash. Okay, so while you're scrubbing your face, you want to concentrate in areas that, like, there's a lot of like dirt buildup. So I know for me personally, it's like the corners of my nose and like under my chin. So I'm making sure just to pay extra attention over there. And also, like, my nose piercing is relatively new, so I do go around there just to make sure that it's clean. And then, like, my nose is definitely where I feel like there's like a lot of grease buildup, so I like to focus on my nose, getting in the sides. We're glowing already. Okay, so now I'm just going to let the products kind of like seep into my face and like marinate for about 5 minutes. You don't have to do that step if you don't want to. You can wash it right off, but I just find that that works well. Instead of just slapping the product on and then taking it right off after, I like to let it do its thing for about 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. I'm just gonna go in right now and I'm going to wash the product off of my face. There's soap in my eyes, guys. Sorry, I'm having a hard time. You're gonna take a washcloth and you're gonna run it under warm water, and then you're gonna put it on your face. Okay, so my face is basically dry, but before I do anything else, I have to clean my nose piercing. Like I said, it is relatively new. She's about 1 month today, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna clean my piercing. If you have a new nose piercing and you're looking for something to clean it with, I recommend the H2Ocean spray. I have another salt spray and it just wasn't doing it for me, so I just want y'all to know, like, this is highly recommended. And I'm going in with good old Vaseline. Nothing too crazy, nothing too harsh on the skin. I'm just gonna put a little bit of Vaseline on my face. Again, specifically around my nose, because after face wash, my nose gets really dry. And it doesn't make it any better that I'm constantly spraying my piercing with salt water. So definitely making sure it's evenly distributed, but again, like I said, focusing on my nose. All right, and now the skincare routine is done, and I know y'all see this face. I know y'all see it. It's the skin for me. It's the skin for me. But that's it, guys. Nothing too crazy. Real simple, real easy, real quick. You know, get to it. Nothing long and drawn. Guys, go. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what things that you guys include in your skincare routines. Don't forget to stay tuned for part 2. I'm gonna show you guys how I exfoliate. That's it. Bye, guys.